Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's video. So I thought I would switch it up a little bit and do a spend the day with me vlog style video. I've never vlogged before, so I'm really excited because I love watching these sort of videos, but I feel like I'm going to be really boring. So if I am really boring, I apologise. This is literally my first time vlogging. But anyways, I just finished getting ready, and whilst I was getting ready, I received two really exciting parcels. So first one I already opened, and it's from Cult Beauty. And I did like a little cheeky little order of like some samples. So the first one that I picked up, I'm wearing it on my skin today and I'm obsessed. So it's the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and my skin, as you can tell, looks incredible. I'm obsessed with it, and I usually struggle to find like really good primers because I wear sunscreen every single day. This is the sunscreen that I use. It's the CeraVe Facial Moisturising Lotion SPF 25, and I wear sunscreen every single day, even when I'm just chilling at home, because sun exposure is real and we don't really want any wrinkles. So a lot of the primers I use tend to not work very well with any sunscreens or just any moisturisers for some reason on my skin. They just kind of crumble up, just look really flaky or really ugly. And this one literally looks incredible. It was a little bit expensive because it was £13 for this tiny bottle, which is kind of spenny, but I'm definitely gonna buy the full size. And the other item that I picked up is the Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant with salicylic acid. And if you guys watch Hiram, then you know what I'm talking about. I've been really struggling with my skin lately. It's kind of starting to clear up, but if I would give this a go, because I do have scars or like pigmentation left on my skin, and I thought this would work really well. And that was £10 as well, so 23 quid for these two items. Literally so expensive. Okay, so my friend has these incredible lashes. Her lashes are literally so long and so full, and I've asked her, oh my god girl, what do you use on your lashes, because they're literally so nice. And she said she uses UK Lash. So, and then I heard a girl on YouTube, Freya Killen, talking about UK Lash, how it's like 10 times better than Revita Lash. Revita Lash, which is like the really expensive lash serum. And then she said UK Lash is so much better. So I thought I would give it a go. So I'm just gonna open this up. Okay, so I picked up the eyelash serum and the eyebrow serum because they can do, it was in like a set, and it was originally, it was $69.99 for both of these. But if you guys are a student, Student Beans does a discount code. So if you use the code Student Beans 15, it gives you 15% off. So I think I paid like $53 instead of $69.99. So I'm gonna give this a go and let you guys know how I get on with it. But from like my friend's lashes and from like other reviews I've read, it literally looks incredible. So I'm gonna do some uni work now because I've literally been slacking so bad, and I'm gonna rewatch my last night's seminar because I completely missed it. And luckily all the seminars for my uni, for all my modules, get recorded, which is so nice. So I can sit down during my own time, watch it, like pause it whenever I need it, and obviously take some notes. But yeah, I really need to like focus on my uni because I got my first grade back, not my first, my second grade back for one of my modules, and I got a B-, and my aim was to get all A's this year because I'm in my third year. If you guys don't know, by the way, I do marketing, advertising and PR, and I'm in my final year, and trying to like find motivation and trying to find the will to like actually complete uni during lockdown in the middle of a pandemic is proving to be very difficult. So I really need to like, you know, push it through. So I'm just gonna sit here for a bit, watch through this lecture. Okay, so that lecture was literally pointless. And I only watched like 45 minutes of it, and I was literally so bored, and it was so repetitive. Like, she keeps talking about the same thing over and over again for the past like 2 lectures and seminars. It's kind of frustrating, but you know what, that's fine. Oh my god, there's a cat. Hi cat. Anyways, I get so distracted. I'm gonna be making caramel brownies. I've done the caramel brownies before, but the caramel that I used was a little bit different and it kind of sunk all the way to the bottom and it kind of burnt. So I went to Tesco's yesterday with my boyfriend and I bought this, the Carnation Caramel Drizzle. And you can use this for pancakes, desserts, berries. Oh, I don't think this is for baking, but we're gonna try it out. I'm just gonna open this. And the recipe that I'm gonna use is the tasty one, the best gooey salted caramel brownies. I'm not gonna make them salted caramel, I'm just gonna make them regular caramel. So let's crack on. Okay, this is what the brownies look like before they go in the oven. And I kid you not, this could be the best brownie I've probably ever made. I've just poured the caramel drizzle over the top, grabbed the toothpick and created like this marble effect. I'm sorry, but how nice does that look? Now that's gonna go in the oven for 35 minutes. Okay, so the brownie is out the oven and I had to sprinkle some like extra caramel drizzle just because all the caramel literally burnt. Well, not burnt, but kind of like sunk into the batter. So just add a little bit of extra. I think it looks so good, but I think I may have like overdone it a little bit. Okay, so this vlog has been a bit of a fail since I didn't vlog anything after I made my brownies because I literally got into bed and ate like 7 pieces of brownies and watched 90210 until I fell asleep. But anyways, to make this vlog a little bit more interesting, I thought I would show you guys how I do my gel nails at home since all the nail shops are closed due to lockdown. So this is what my nails look like before gel. Like I just buffed them using 2 different air files. So I just got this one, which is like a little bit rougher, not rougher but like textured, and I use this one to like buff it and kind of like make my nails a little bit smooth just so I have a good base to work with. Okay, so this is the brand that I use for my gel nails. The brand is called Blue Sky. I'm going to link it down below. I got this for Christmas and it was £90 for the lamp, for top coat, base coat, files, 3 colours, cleansing wipes, and also came with a set of 6 polishes, like pastel collections. You could have like chose your own. I would have preferred to get the nude ones, but they were so out of stock. So for today's polish, I think I'm just gonna go with the green. I think it's like a really pretty like pastel green, so that's what I'm gonna use. Okay, so this is what my nails look like before I put any polish on them, like very natural. I try to keep them fairly short because I really like the look of like shorter nails, unless I'm wearing acrylics, then I love long nails. But yeah, this is the before. And obviously make sure you get like a really smooth base of your nail. So make sure you use like a buffing buffing file to like smooth it down. Like so. Make sure you got everything ready, like your station's clear and everything. And then you just want to start off with the base coat. Okay, so I've applied the base coat, I did like a really thin layer, and now I'm curing my base coat for 30 seconds with the UV lamp. And obviously, if you feel like you need a little bit more, go in again. I usually just like put my hand in and the lamp kind of turns on automatically, but so there is like 2 settings for 30 and 60 seconds. Okay, so now I'm going to apply my colour, and this is the colour I've chosen for today. I've been loving like the greeny like pistachio vibes. So it's this pastel green in the colour pistachio gelato. Pretty straightforward. You can also buy these individual ones, but they do also sometimes come in like sets. So this is like the pastel collection. and it's really cute, like perfect for spring and summer. But I'm just feeling some colour today. So I'm gonna do 3 layers of this, like, but very thin layers, so it kind of builds up the colour. Okay, so with each layer that I paint, I cure it for 60 seconds. So if I paint a layer, cure it for 60 seconds, paint another layer, cure it for 60 seconds, and just do that so like every single layer of the gel has been cured. So pretty simple. And then you just follow up with a base coat, and then you just do it for 30 seconds. Pretty straightforward, quite fun to do. I just usually watch a series or something on Netflix while I'm doing it, because it does take quite a while, because since you do have to cure it every single layer.